Thank you for watching this video. In this channel, you and I will be reviewing different cars and learn at the same time. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider joining us. If you're a subscriber, please click the like button. Thank you. Juke Nismo Body Kit. Nismo edition doesn't mean it has Nismo performance. Two-tone body color, like the side mirror, and also accents here at the rear, at the lower bumper. You also see a very nice alloy wheel. With fenders, lower skirt, comes with disc brake in front, another disc brake at the rear, where the accent line follows all around the car. Whoa, that's a nice muffler. Nice fog lamp or race lamp, and a nice spoiler. Makes the car really special. I have reviewed this car before, but this is another color, so let me show you again. Wow, Alcantara with Nismo. Looks like it came from Terra. Looks like it came from Almera. Alcantara 12 o'clock red line, and very sporty looking instrument cluster. So this is how the dashboard looks like. And it's digital. It says Nismo, aux and USB, 12 volt. Whoa, glossy. Cup holders, compartment. And at the back is also Alcantara. The headliner is not Alcantara. This like it came from Terra as well. No light and no light. Airbag. That's automatic headlamp. Manual windshield. That's the sensor. Hazard. Normal room mirror. Normal other things. Let's check the glove box. Just the same. But here you have the push start button. Amazing. Cruise control. Other controls. Oh, very tiny space. There's a pouch. There is no cabin light. That's the compartment. Defogger. There's no armrest or cup holders. This is how it looks like from the rear. Thank you for watching, everybody. Bye bye. Please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Thank you, everybody. May your dreams come true.